We're doing a very quick makeup. This is Elta MD. If you are not already using this SPF, I love it. Dermatologist tested, great for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. So, okay, let's do a little bit of makeup. This part is gonna go really, really fast. So Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation is one of my favorites. This is one of those makeup applications where we're going to meet up with friends. We just want it to feel really classic and very clean. So you're gonna see me use my hands today. Keep it very clean and very simple. The SPF that I used has a little bit of a white cast on it, which is okay. It's covered very quickly and easily with a little bit of foundation. Also, I love how Skin Longwear photographs. It's so beautiful. Next up, we're gonna use a little bit of bronzer. This is from Bobbi Brown as well. This is in the color Deep. It's this really pretty reddish brown moment. I always am doing something super intense and complicated, but today you're gonna see how I do makeup when I meet up with my friends to just hang out. This is from Wander Beauty, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this underneath the eye. This area is gonna move underneath my eye, so I don't want a lot happening under there. And this actually has two sides. This is actually the side that you should use underneath your eye. I'm just smoothing this out with my finger, super easy, underneath the eye and around the nose. This automatically makes everything look a little bit more flat. If you have any dips underneath your eye, anything like right around the side of the nose, it really helps to lift the eye and lift the face. I always make sure I put powder in the center, even if I don't put it all over the face. Can you tell we're in a rush? Estee Lauder's Sumptuous Rebel. They sent this to me and I didn't know how much I was gonna love this. First of all, check out this brush, right? Like, it's so little. It has a lot of product on it right now, so I don't know if you can really get into it, but it's so tiny and it really gets into the lashes. Like, you can get every lash you own naturally to stand out with this mascara. Boom. All right, so let's do this, people. I'm gonna put a little bit of brow product through the brow. This is by Urban Decay. I've lately been getting into these brow pens. I used to just stay away from them because I felt like they couldn't really catch. But a trick that I noticed with this is if you put a little bit of powder on your skin and over the brow before you start using them, they actually show up very well. So I think the issue was that I was using too much moisturizer on my eyebrows, so it didn't work. But now that I figured it out, it does work. The other side of this pen has a brow like pen moment, or like a brow, it's like your traditional brow pencil. So it's like waxy, so you can use this in addition to the brow pen, which I kind of like because it doesn't make me give up my traditional method. Okay, lastly, what else do we need? Blush, we need a lip. Okay, this is by LYS, which is a really cool company. It's a Black-owned company. They're based in Sephora. I think they were one of the first to ever get into Sephora. Black-owned clean beauty brand to be in Sephora. That's kind of exciting. Maybe I did too much. It's okay. Okay, this we're gonna put on the eye. This is by Ilia. It's called Umber. It's like one of those like nice glossy eye moments. It's just a little something and it's easy. So I'm just gonna put this on. Finished with the eye. The makeup looks really good. We are gonna do the lip when we get there. Okay, let's go.